In this video, we will see how to work with pivot tables in Excel. Pivot table is a useful tool in Excel that lets you summarize and explore data interactively. I think it's easier to show how pivot tables work than explain what it does. So let's see with the help of an example. I've taken only a small set of data. So usually pivot table is useful when you have lots of rows and data. So here I have customer name, city, category of product, the product, the quantity sold are sales. So in order to insert a pivot table, you go to insert to see pivot table or recommended pivot table. So you can choose either of that. So if you go to pivot table, it asks what range of data you want the pivot table should consider. So it will be this entire thing, and then you can specify the location where the pivot table should go. So instead what I'll do is I'll just select this recommended pivot table. I'll click on that. So here you specify the range of data, which is this. Say OK. So here it shows the pivot table. I'll say OK. So here it inserts the pivot table in another sheet. So here you can see the pivot table field. So first I'll select only product and total sales. Now you can choose various columns. So instead of product you can choose customer, or you can see by city, quantity, various other things. So let's say I'll select category. I can also choose product. So within the category it shows me the various products and the sales. Now I can show the products differently also. So here I'll select this and I'll take the product. Yeah, so you see it has changed the layout. Now here it shows the product category, and in the columns it shows the various products, and here you see the total. So in this way you can play around, and you can see interesting format of the data. I can also remove it. So you can see total sales by product. You can even see your top performing product. In this case I can further filter it, and I can say show me top 3 performing products. So I'll say okay. So it shows your top 3 performing products. I'll do Control Z. So basically this is how you work with pivot table. It is especially useful when you have lots of data, so it makes it so much simpler to see patterns and trends in the data. So that's all in this tutorial. Hope that was useful. Thanks for watching the video.